Welcome to History and Mystery, today's episode about sensory receptors. Sensory receptors are special parts of our body that help us sense and respond to the world around us. They are like tiny detectors that detect different things and send messages to our brain, which helps us understand what we are experiencing. Sensory receptors are found in various parts of our body, such as our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, and other organs. Olfactory receptors are a type of sensory receptors located in the nose. They are responsible for our sense of smell. These receptors are specialized cells that detect different odor molecules present in the air. When we inhale or smell something, these molecules come into contact with the olfactory receptors in our nasal passages. The olfactory receptors then send signals to the brain, which processes the information and allows us to perceive and identify different smells. This diagram demonstrates how the input of odor molecules interacts with the process of olfactory receptors and leads to the response of perceiving smells through brain perception. Hair cells are the sensory receptors responsible for our sense of hearing. They are specialized cells found in the inner ear, specifically in the cochlea. Hair cells play a vital role in converting sound vibrations into electrical signals that can be interpreted by the brain. Hair cells are delicate and can be easily damaged. Excessive noise exposure, certain medications, or aging can lead to hair cell damage, resulting in hearing loss or impairment. This diagram represents how the input of sound waves interacts with the process of hair cells, which then leads to the response of electrical signals and ultimately brain perception of various sounds. Mechanoreceptors are sensory receptors that are specialized in detecting mechanical stimuli, such as pressure, touch, vibration, and stretch. They are found throughout the body, including the skin, muscles, joints, and internal organs. Mechanoreceptors play a crucial role in our ability to sense and perceive tactile sensations. This diagram represents how the input of mechanical stimuli interacts with the process of mechanoreceptors, leading to the brain's perception of various tactile sensations. Photoreceptors are specialized cells found in the retina of the eye that are responsible for detecting and responding to light. Rods. Rods are more numerous than cones and are primarily responsible for vision in low-light conditions, such as at night or in dimly lit environments. Cones. Cones are responsible for color vision and visual acuity in bright light conditions. They are less sensitive to light than rods, but provide higher resolution and the ability to discern different colors. This diagram represents how the input of light waves interacts with the process of photoreceptors, leading to the response of nerve signals and ultimately brain perception of vision. Taste buds are sensory organs located on the surface of the tongue and some other areas of the oral cavity. They are responsible for our sense of taste, allowing us to perceive and distinguish different flavors. The taste receptor cells are the key players in taste perception. They have microscopic hair-like projections called taste hairs or microvilli that extend into a small opening called a taste pore. This diagram represents how the input of taste molecules interacts with the process of taste buds, leading to the response of nerve signals and ultimately brain perception of various tastes.